What's the biggest change of the event industry this year? This year actually we see quite some big change. So the number one change is the money side. So this year, because a lot of city and the government want to attract the tourism to come back, economy, they want to boost the economy for their city or the country. So what happened is the government actually subsidized a lot of different kind of events. They give you the venue for free. They even give you cash if you're really organizing an event that can attract different kind of people. If you are really organizing conferences, trade shows, or different kind of events, I highly suggest you go after the different funding source, check with the government, and see whether your category actually can be subsidized by the new scheme of the funding. It's not limited to just organizing. You can even get the funding by participating your local event or even overseas events. So government actually have a lot of support because they want to boost the economy. That's number one change. The second change I saw is about the format. The format of the events is include a lot of events becoming hybrid. The reason I think is because people are used to the virtual version and they think that is a must option. So one of the pharmaceutical company told me personally that because they organized the event for the doctors, and they said the older doctor actually prefer physical event, but the younger doctor actually prefer virtual events. And so what happened is they do a hybrid format so that they actually can cater both of them. That actually maximized their reach, and it also maximized the audience engagement because they have different group of interests. One more tips I would give if you're organizing hybrid is for the virtual version, definitely you want to pick maybe a platform or a supported could be software that can help you to measure the engagement statistic for your virtual part. Physical part you cannot hardly measure it, but virtual you can measure whether they click, whether they move, whether they download anything, and everything is measurable. So that will be very helpful for you to analyze which part of the event people like and how can you enhance your event content. And the last part is if you're doing on-demand, I highly suggest you to put a time limit for the on-demand part, so that could be 1 week, 2 weeks, maybe even like a month. But you have a time limit so that people will watch it with an urgency. So that's the format, and the money is the biggest change I saw this year.